Hey everybody, welcome to Is It a Buy, where we discuss stocks and determine if they are actually worth a buy or maybe a pass. My name is Corey. I'd just like to preface the video by saying I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a regular guy who likes to talk about stocks, so please take what I say with a grain of salt, all right? Let's get into the video. Today we're actually going to be talking about rocket companies. You may know them. I would say probably they're most known for Rocket Mortgage, and so that's these guys. And you can see here they actually have a bunch of different companies. If you look at their verticals, they're in home financing, home sale and search, auto and personal financing, media, and client services and technology solutions. So a bunch of different stuff here. And they're obviously a very big company. And so if you take a look here, here's just a list of their companies. It just goes on and on. So just they're huge. Recently, they did have a little bit of news come out today. And so as you can see, so they had huge growth. And if you're familiar with, with what happened in the pandemic, a lot of people actually purchased homes. And so that's just because the interest rates were so low. I actually, myself, I purchased a home as well. And so you can see here, the revenue increased 144% year over year to 4.7 billion in the fourth quarter. So, and they also announced a special dividend of $1.11 per Class A share of common stock. So absolutely insane to grow that big during this pandemic, whenever obviously a lot of companies are really struggling. I pulled up Yahoo Finance here. I'm trying to see if I can find some kind of price target. It looks like they're currently at $19.90. The estimated 1 year target estimate is 24.68. Obviously something to take with a grain of salt, but I like to kind of see where people are kind of headed. And so I did want to get a second number. So I see here 24.37. So pretty close to what the analysts are saying. Another thing I'd like to take a look at is the institutional ownership. And so taking a look here, institutional shares, I mean, it's just insane. Look how many owners they have, 419. You can see this, like, just insane. I'm not sure why this is 101%. I'm sure there's a probably a good reason for that. But in any case, I actually went to another site. Here's NASDAQ.com, and I see a very healthy amount, 72.59%. And so this is this is actually an industry I really like. It's boring, and I think Mr. Wonderful said boring is safe. So just something here. I also, just to get a good comparison here, I also see that they have around the 70% mark as well here. So that's what we see. Let's take a look at the chart. So looking at the chart, this is the 1 day, and you can see they had a nice little run. So bottom of today was 1971, and the high was 2183. If you look at a little more macroscopically on the 3 month, they actually had a nice little run over here. So skyrocketed 1 day from about, well, it looks like it was probably about 1918 that day to 2650. So if you look down here, it looks like there was actually a descending level of support. And so if we go from here, yeah, we can get it from right here. And you can see it just kind of like just broke above it. It's just insane. And so now you're actually seeing, let me clear this one out, and you can actually see that they have an ascending level of support going on. And so let me go ahead and grab this here. You can just see it right here. And so I was looking at this earlier today, and I saw that they had just had it here, and then in the I believe in the after hours they just shot up right here. And so I wanted to see if they were going to, I knew that they were going to be testing this level of support and this level of resistance, and if it broke one way, it was gonna, I thought it would really run, and I was right. So looks like it's running here. Do I think it's too late to get in the stock? I really don't think it's too late to get in the stock. I do believe this is going to have some kind of retracement, and after the retracement, especially with the good news, they're doing pretty well. I do think that you'll be seeing these levels of these upper levels coming pretty soon, and so definitely something to look out for if you are bullish on the stock. As far as the news go, I guess I already went over the news. So just crazy increases. Analysts, and you can see another price target here, average $24. So this is a nice little safe stock to put your money in, and they're giving you a dividend, and the stock still has some a ways to go. We can still go upward. So that's what I have for you this time. Is it a buy? I would say yes. Maybe not right now. Maybe wait for a little bit of retracement. I'm sure it'll come back, probably around maybe 50% or something, but. So I'd look out for that. But that's what I have for you. If you like the video, please consider giving me a like or subscribing. It really helps me out a lot. But other than that, have a good one. Peace.